Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your ChatFuel application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your ChatFuel application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in ChatFuel and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the application displayed on the search results. Now all you need to do is click on Install button to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your ChatFuel application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.